Hey everyone, it's Lisa. How are you? I am checking in from our office today. I actually came into the office today, had some meetings here today. It was so awesome. How are you guys doing? Happy Monday? Monday, yes. No, it's not Monday, it's Wednesday. See, I can never remember after the holidays what day of the week it is. It is Wednesday, and you know what that means? Hey Bertha, how you doing? Bertha, that was my grandmother's first name. I love your name. Hi Bobby, how are you doing? Hey, I just wanted to check in because it is Wednesday. Tara's enjoying some time off. She'll be back later this week, and guess what? It's time for another latest and greatest Tara's must-have. And we have an awesome one to start your new year. Patty's here, Lynn's here. Hey, Verla, how you doing? Hi, Kimberly. Okay, our Bistro mugs. So incredibly popular. We have a set of 2. Hey, Joy, how you doing? We have a set of 2. Look at these, 16 ounces in capacity right here. Do. Good luck, you guys. So who doesn't want good luck for the new year? Check these out. We have them in Old World. We have them in Floral Lace. We have them in Woodland. We have them in the Doodle. In the DD, Doodle Do, $24.95, shipping and handling included. Free shipping. I love that. Joy, cheers to you, my friend. I will see you shortly. 16 ounces. Bistro mug, which gives you that nice tall shape. Look at the beautiful handle. Doesn't it look? It's like half a heart. Isn't that so cute? This would be a great Valentine's gift, right? This is awesome. Hey, Bobby. Hi, Matthew. Hi, Linda. How you guys doing? Have you picked these up yet? Because you need these in Doodle Black. Got it, Greg. I love these, but I do love the red. Love the red. These are microwave safe. They're oven safe to 500 degrees. Put them in the dishwasher to wash them, and they are like the perfect size to hold in your hand. Reheat your coffee, your soup. You know what I do with these kind of tall mugs sometimes? I put breadsticks in them. I love that. Or you can make them a vase. So look, I want to show you the colors that I have. Check it out over on temp-tations.com because that's where you're going to pick these up today. You have the yellow floral lace, Cindy. Do you love them? Okay, here's the Doodle Red. By the way, Doodle, it has that beautiful rooster, the little cobblestone effect on the outside, and it's not just one side. Look at that, 2 sides. Verla, Happy New Year to you. Mine was fabulous. Happy New Year to you, Noelle. I know, Noelle, I came into the office and I had like this down vest on. I'm sweating. Okay, here's the red, Old World. Look how pretty that is. Again, I love these for Valentine's Day gifts. All right, so you get 2. I'm holding 1 of each right here. Cindy's here, Dana's here. Look at the red Old World. And look, here's the detail that Tara does, you guys. Hand painted all the way. Look at the little border on the inside. Then the gorgeous saturation all around the trim right there. Then your Old World that goes all the way around the entire mug. And when we say Old World red, it's not just red. You see that? See the little touches of yellow? I'm trying to get to it. Yellow right there. That's so pretty. Oh, you're having major thunderstorms, Bobby? Yeah. Actually, it looks like it's raining out here. I think it might be. And then my favorite, the Woodland White. These are so nice. My gosh, you guys. Happy New Year to everyone as well. So you get a set of 2. You know Woodland White doesn't last long. So here's Woodland White. $24.95 free shipping. Here is the Doodle Red. I'm only showing you 3 colors. Check out all the other colors on the website. Here's the Doodle Red, set of 2, $24.95, free shipping. Anytime I hear the word free, I'm in, by the way. And then Old World. And then you can check out the Floral Lace and all the other colors. Look how pretty that is. What's your favorite color? I think, you know what I'm loving to put together? Woodland and Doodle. Doesn't that look great together? I love it together. I love the neutralness of the white, but it has that great wood texture. And then I love the Doodle Do because there's just something charming about it that I think is amazing. But here's the story. It's over on temp-tations.com. Mary Jo, how are you? Today, it's $24.95. Shipping and handling is free, but that's for a limited time. So if you're looking for some great gifts, if you need some new mugs, try a Bistro mug. Again, what do I love about it? It's that cylinder shape. You have really nice length there. And look at the beautiful handle. It looks like half a heart. So cheers to you. Happy New Year. It's wet in Chicago, Angel. Sorry. Yes, Jen, right. Beautiful for Valentine's Day. I didn't pick this, but the red, and the white. So head on over there, you guys. Check it out. It's the must-have today, and it includes, it'll be on free shipping for a limited time. I'm not even sure exactly how long, but head on over to temp-tations.com. We will see you over there, and we got a big week over here. Tonight we're QVC in the kitchen with David. We have two great items, 13 by 9 baker and soup and sandwich, special pricing on both. And then we'll see you this weekend because we're super busy. And by the way, love is in the air. That's all I'm going to say. So you better be sure you go to temp-tations.com at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. on Saturday. All right. You guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. See ya.